What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is Nominal Investor, and I'm bringing to you guys more bullish content on NIO every single day. If you guys hit the like button and get me to 100 likes, I've gotten there before. I know I can get there again. 100 likes, and I'll deliver daily content on NIO, just bullish content like today, where I'm talking about the price forecast for this company. Now, before I get to it, I want to remind you guys they had their quarter two release, and they showed some information, saying they had about US dollars, about $500 million in total revenues, which means they're increasing that. And for a middle of the year, for a quarter two, that's really good because they outperformed what they normally get for their best quarters, which is towards the end of the year. So the fact that they got a lot of sales during the middle of the year, as opposed to when they usually get the most sales, which is quarter four, New Year's, Chinese New Year's, around that time, they did better than expected. They still had a loss. They reported a loss, but it was not as bad as people had imagined it would be. So the stock did dip. So people did buy the dip. You guys can see by that little price bump, it went up 37 cents, which is 2.85%. Now there was a small retracement, just a tiny bit. It lost 6 cents. Yeah, guys, the overall sentiment on this overall, I feel like, is bullish for this company. I can see this stock reaching higher highs and just higher lows. So that's really what we're looking for, is for this company to break that resistance level and to start forming support at a higher price, like $16-17. Now look, the 12 analysts offering 12-month price forecast for NIO Inc. have a median target of $97. This is the average price within the next 12 months that NIO is supposed to get. This is the forecast. Like, they're expecting it to go up if all things continue, all the goods, quarters, deliveries, everything, quarter by quarter, month by month. If they can keep this up and they can keep up with the production and everything and be efficient with that marketing, they will be able to hit that. Apparently, according to 12 analysts, $97 is the median point. Now, with the high estimate of 125, that is like the outlier. People saying it could go up to 125. I will be very happy if that happens. If it goes up to even $50, man, that would be insane for my portfolio. For a lot of you guys who have more shares than me, some of you guys are holding an insane amount of shares. Like, you guys should let me have some, man. Like, throw me some, send me some. Like crypto, just I'll put my address. I wish we could just send stocks, man, like crypto. Anyway, and the low estimate of $7, and we know what company had this low estimate before. Just recently, it was Goldman Sachs, who said that this stock is overbought right now and that it's overpriced and it should be $7. That the price should be $7 when it never went down there. It never even touched $9. So it's insane how they were trying to go that low to try to get some more shares at a cheap price. They were trying to manipulate the market, in a way to so they can get some people who were selling off, who were getting scared, and who thought that was game over for NIO. Like, oh, it's gonna lose half its price. So people sold off, and it worked for a bit. And obviously there was just so much support around the $9 to $11 range that it didn't fall down to even that point, to $9. It just stayed above 11, which is great. That means that this stock is going to end up, like I said, it's going to end up reaching, it's going to break that resistance level of $15-16, and it's going to form that support around there or even higher towards like the $16-17 range. So it's going to be stable. The price is going to be around there, and people are not going to have to deal with so much volatility like recently. So what I think is that this stock, it can keep going up with more just more good news. All we need is just more quarters like this, especially with quarter three and quarter four coming up. Man, this is gonna be good for NIO because they already do very good during the end of the year. You guys already know that car companies like Tesla and even NIO, this Chinese EV maker, like, they have really good deliveries towards the end of the year. So if they delivered about 10,000 vehicles, 11,000, close to that, during quarter two of 2020, imagine what they will do for quarter three and quarter four, where they already do very good, close to that number already. Like last year, you guys know, I said in my last video, last year, quarter four 2019, they actually delivered about 8,000 vehicles, which is very close to the 10,000 mark, which they hit during the middle of the year. So it's insane how they're doing that. They're getting past that number, the 8,000 number. They're getting past that earlier in the year without having to be in the New Year's or anything like that. So I think that for quarter four, they're definitely going to reach 15,000 deliveries around there. Like, that's gonna be expected. And if they don't hit that number, if they hit something like 12,000 deliveries, which is still better than Q2, I guess, it's just people are just gonna be like, okay, people are gonna probably sell off like a little bit. Obviously people are gonna be like, no progress is made, so some people are gonna get scared. But I still think that it's gonna increase the price gradually over the next 12 months, just like these analysts are saying, and I think that's gonna happen. Now they say that this represents a 628% increase from the current price of 1336. That's insane. That's like 6 times your money. If you put in $1,000 right now into NIO at $13 a share, and it does reach the high point of 125, which is this is the outlier. This is like the highest estimate. If it reaches that, you're gonna 6 times your money. So you put $1,000, you're gonna get back around 6,000 something, like almost $7,000. And obviously, the more you put in, the more you get back. So, and there's more risk involved in everything when you put in more money. But still, guys, this post right here by TradingView just lets us know what just the community overall, the investing community around this company, what they feel about the stock. It says, I know most of you are probably disappointed that NIO didn't pop to $16 yesterday. I know I was. It went up, and then it just came back down. Some people just, for some reason, at least some people took advantage of the dip and they bought into it. But rumors have it that JPM are dumping the stock for the limit orders and or for their calls. Nevertheless, judging by the technicals, it looks like the $16 pump, $16 jump is just around the corner. My guess is that it'll be $16 by the end of the week or next week. I mean, it may get there. I mean, I'm being more realistic. I think it's gonna be like $14, $15, maybe $14.50, $14.80, something like high 14s, if anything. But it won't reach $16 until like once we start forming more support around the $14 range. Once it's just normal to have the stock at $14. Right now, $14 is kind of like we get up there and then it falls back to 13 again. So it's volatile. Like, there's a lot of volatility there. We don't need that right now. We need it to go up just enough and start stabilizing at those prices, at 14, 15, before we can start claiming that the stock will reach 20 or anything. First, it needs to reach 15, 16 and stay there for a while and have some consolidation around that price. Like how you see here, this consolidation around the 12.50 to 13.60 price. There's a lot of consolidation here. That's what we need, and we need consolidation around $14, $15 for us to have that support being built around that price target, around that price area, and then so it can go up to a price target of $16, $17. And then after you break that, resistance with momentum, it can go up further. It can go up to 17 to 20 easily, just off momentum. People putting in a lot of money into it, just pumping it, and it can get up to 20. I think that's why people are saying the stock is going to be 20 really soon, within the next 2 months. But we just need to form some support around 14, 15 first before we even think about 20. So yeah, I know, guys, I was jumping around in this video a lot with my thoughts. Sorry about that. I'm just very excited for this company. I'm very bullish, as you guys know. Keeping up with this bullish content. Let me know what you guys thought about the 12 analysts who are offering their 12-month price forecast, and if you guys agree with that or disagree. Let me know what sounds more realistic. Is it the $97 medium target, or is it the high estimate of $125 for NIO? Or do you side with Goldman Sachs in saying that the stock is valued at $7, which I completely disagree with. I think the stock will never reach $7 again unless something bad has to happen for it, like to ever reach $7 again. Like, I really don't think the stock can reach $7 again. It's really unlikely with this much support around $11, $12. That it's not gonna happen unless something bad happens, around this company. Like, they have to be faking results or something for the price to even drop that much. Like, it just, something drastic has to take place. Otherwise, it's not gonna reach $7. Goldman Sachs tried downgrading it. It did not happen, guys. Didn't even reach $9 or $8. So what makes you think it's gonna go back to $7? They have to really get a bad quarter, which it's not happening anytime soon, especially when Q3 and Q4 are right around the corner. So obviously they're gonna have more sales coming up, and that's gonna push the price up. I know for sure. But yeah, let me know what you thought about this video. Definitely hit up the links in the description if you guys want to support me. 2 free stocks with Webull and also with 1 free stock with Robinhood. Check that out. Don't miss out on the opportunity to get free stocks. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.